Not even a month into 2026, and SEALSQ already started speeding on the highway to quantum computing heaven, all the while being safe and secure, giving investors reasons to stay tuned into this speedy cybersecurity saga that has everything from ambitious expansions into India, spotlights in Davos, another acquisition, and a new platform launch. For starters, SEALSQ just launched Quantum Highway, a vertically integrated platform designed to embed trust, cryptographic identity, and post-quantum security directly into hardware from the outset. Unlike traditional quantum initiatives that address hardware, software, and connectivity in silos, SEALSQ's approach anchors security in silicon, making trust an intrinsic system property rather than an external add-on. The initiative began as a pilot quantum corridor, linking sites in Spain, France, and Switzerland, demonstrating secure cross-border collaboration under a unified, hardware-rooted trust framework. As SEALSQ expanded partnerships and operations to India, the United States, South Korea, and the UAE, the concept evolved into the globally scalable Quantum Highway, designed to support sovereign, secure quantum and post-quantum systems. At its core, the Quantum Highway interconnects secure semiconductors, ASICs, post-quantum cryptography, and quantum computing platforms through a single architecture governed by a hardware root key embedded in secure silicon. This root of trust establishes immutable device identity and manages the full life cycle of each component, from manufacturing and personalization to operation, updates, and decommissioning, ensuring end-to-end trust continuity across classical, post-quantum, and quantum environments. SEALSQ's strategy is reinforced by targeted acquisitions and investments. These include the full acquisition of IC'Alps to strengthen ASIC design, investments in Colibri for quantum-enhanced semiconductor optimization, EeroQ for scalable quantum computing, and WiseSat Space for post-quantum-ready satellite IoT communications. The company also participates in Quantix Edge SJV in Spain for post-quantum RISC-V chip design and is establishing a joint venture in India to expand secure semiconductor design, test, and personalization. A potential investment in Quably, pending approvals, would further integrate post-quantum security into quantum microelectronics. SEALSQ positions the Quantum Highway as a long-term trust infrastructure, bridging today's secure digital systems with future quantum capabilities while supporting sovereignty, resilience, and security for governments and regulated industries worldwide. Now about Quably, SEALSQ announced it has entered into a non-binding memorandum of understanding for exclusive negotiations to potentially acquire a majority stake in Quably SAS, a French quantum computing company, in a transaction valued at approximately $200 million. The proposed multi-stage deal would begin with an initial minority investment, followed by a potential majority acquisition, subject to due diligence, definitive agreements, and regulatory approvals. The potential acquisition builds on an existing collaboration between SEALSQ and Quably, announced in November 2025, and aligns closely with SEALSQ's long-term quantum roadmap. Quably develops silicon-based quantum processors using standard semiconductor manufacturing processes. Quably was founded in 2022 in Grenoble, France, and has raised €40 million to date, including $19 million in 2023 and €21 million in 2025, to advance its Q100T fault-tolerant quantum computing program. The company also maintains a strategic partnership with ST Microelectronics to industrialize its quantum chips. SEALSQ said the transaction would be supported by its dedicated quantum fund. Management framed the deal as a strategic move to embed security at the hardware level, as quantum computing evolves into critical infrastructure. The joint vision targets high-security and high-value sectors, including defense, intelligence, financial services, and pharmaceuticals, where both quantum performance and cryptographic resilience are essential. Quably's CEO and co-founder Maud Vinay said the proposed transaction would accelerate the company's industrialization and international expansion, while SEALSQ founder and CEO Carlos Moreira emphasized the importance of integrating security from the outset in next-generation quantum systems. While the agreement remains non-binding, the announcement signals SEALSQ's ambition to move beyond post-quantum security solutions and play a more central role in the emerging quantum computing ecosystem, particularly within Europe's sovereign technology landscape. Then, like a burning bowl of curry, SEALSQ ignited Indian ambitions when it began the year with its C-suite leadership, led by founder and CEO Carlos Moreira conducting a roadshow across India to advance post-quantum semiconductor, quantum investment, and sovereign space initiatives. The visit involved meetings and site visits in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, New Delhi, Hyderabad, and Bangalore, targeting India's major semiconductor, quantum, and space innovation hubs. A core objective of the roadshow was accelerating the establishment of a post-quantum semiconductor personalization center in India and strengthening industrial partnerships, particularly with Keynes Semicon and Skyroot Aerospace. SEALSQ's intention was to leverage trusted local partners and distributors to ensure scalable market access while aligning with India's digital sovereignty and security priorities. This adventure led to SEALSQ exploring investments through its $100 million quantum fund, which supports innovations in quantum computing, post-quantum cryptography, quantum AI, and secure semiconductor architectures. The company highlighted India's rapidly growing quantum ecosystem under the National Quantum Mission, citing domestic players such as QPI AI and recent advances in indigenous quantum systems and chips. SEALSQ also announced a binding joint venture with Keynes Semicon to form SEAL Keynes Ltd., in which SEALSQ will hold a 51% stake and Keynes Semicon 49%, with governance managed by a 5-member board. The JV will establish a secure onshore post-quantum semiconductor design, test, and personalization platform in India, embedding post-quantum cryptography directly at the silicon level to protect critical sectors such as government, defense, finance, healthcare, and infrastructure. The initiative is aligned with India's Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and supported by favorable Swiss-India trade frameworks. As a result, the JV signed a non-binding memorandum of understanding with the government of Gujarat. The proposed center will be located at Keynes Semicon's manufacturing campus in Sanand, Gujarat, and is designed to support India's growing demand for quantum-resistant security solutions. The planned facility would include an outsourced semiconductor test and personalization (OSTP) center, with capabilities spanning wafer and final testing, secure personalization, cryptographic key injection, and post-quantum cryptographic enablement. Once operational, the site is expected to reach an annual production capacity of up to 300 million post-quantum secure semiconductors, serving security-sensitive sectors such as government, defense, telecommunications, automotive, critical infrastructure, and IoT. This is meant to reduce India's reliance on offshore semiconductor personalization and supply chains while strengthening domestic capabilities in secure and regulated technologies. The project aligns closely with national programs including the India Semiconductor Mission, Make in India, and Atmanirbhar Bharat, positioning Gujarat as a hub for next-generation secure semiconductor manufacturing and preparing India's digital infrastructure for emerging quantum computing risks. The venture is also being developed in dialogue with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The venture is expected to benefit from the Swiss-India Free Trade Agreement under the European Free Trade Association framework, which reduces duties on advanced semiconductor equipment and supports technology transfer. Keynes Semicon's Sanand, Gujarat facility has already delivered India's first packaged semiconductor chips, positioning it as a cornerstone of the country's emerging semiconductor industry. Beyond semiconductors, the broader collaboration extends into space technology. WiseKey, SEALSQ's parent ecosystem partner, has signed an agreement with Keynes Space Technology to manufacture post-quantum secure WiseSat satellites in India, with launches planned for 2026 under a sovereign constellation model, reinforcing secure connectivity and space cooperation. SEALSQ also shines bright from its progress last year, having reported strong preliminary results for fiscal 2025, with revenue rising 66% year-over-year to $18 million. Fourth quarter revenue reached $8 million, doubling from the prior year, and contributions from SEALSQ, acquired in August 2025, for €12.5 million. Then, to ease concerns about spending on Quabli and India expansion, SEALSQ ended 2025 with more than $425 million in cash, even after deploying $30 million into investments including SEALSQ Quantix Edge, Weekend Group, and WiseSat Space. Looking ahead, SEALSQ reaffirmed 2026 revenue growth guidance of 50% to 100%, reflecting confidence in a full year of SEALSQ revenue, early commercialization of its QS7001 post-quantum secure chip, and progress on the Quantix Edge project. The company disclosed a business pipeline exceeding $200 million for 2026 to 2028, including over $60 million tied to QS7001 and QVault TPM products, signaling meaningful long-term upside if adoption continues. Market penetration is also deepening as SEALSQ entered commercial discussions with 115 potential QS7001 customers across North America, Europe, and Asia-Pacific, and expanded its long-standing partnership with Landis plus GYR, securing more than 24 million smart metering devices under the UK Smart Metering Implementation Program. To make things even better, Additional global deployments are underway. Then, to gain even more credibility, SEALSQ showcased a post-quantum cryptography robotics concept during a physical AI roundtable held alongside the World Economic Forum annual meeting in Davos. The demonstration featured WiseRobot, developed with parent company WiseKey International Holding Ltd., and highlighted how quantum-resistant security can be embedded directly into AI-driven autonomous systems. WiseRobot served as an interactive example of how post-quantum algorithms, hardware-based roots of trust, secure key storage, and cryptographic accelerators can protect robotic and physical AI platforms. SEALSQ's approach provisions each system with a unique cryptographic identity at manufacturing, enabling trusted boot, authenticated firmware, and secure communications throughout the system lifecycle. The roundtable emphasized the growing urgency of quantum-ready security as AI systems increasingly move into physical and critical environments. Professor David Schreier of Imperial College London discussed the convergence of AI and quantum computing, while Sol Rashidi stressed the importance of transparency and human-centric design in physical AI. IBM's Mark Hughes noted that quantum computers could arrive as early as 2028, underscoring the need to deploy post-quantum protections now. SEALSQ CEO Carlos Moreira said the demonstration illustrates how trust and security can be designed into intelligent machines from the outset, rather than added later. The company highlighted potential applications across government, healthcare, smart infrastructure, and industrial automation. Speaking of robots, check out the last video talking about what just set rich tech robotics into a roaring rage. And as always, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.